Here's a man in a suit. Let's cut his head off. We'll start by using the pen tool to draw around the area inside this shirt, imagining the collar and then following the front of the shirt. Hit Command and Enter on a Mac, Control and Enter on a PC to turn that into a selection, and we'll make a new layer to paint on. With the eyedropper tool, sample a colour from the existing shirt and use Option backspace or Alt backspace on the PC to fill the shirt with that colour. And now we can deselect. Switch to the Burn tool, set to mid-tones, and darken the inside of the shirt a little bit more at the bottom. We'll load this area to selection by holding the Command or Control key and clicking on the thumbnail in the Layers panel. With the Selection tool active, nudge that selection down a little, and let's soften that selection by feathering the edge. And we'll give it a 2-pixel feather. We'll hide the edges again, and with the Burn tool, just add a very faint shadow underneath that collar. Load the shirt as a selection again, and once again nudge it down just a little way, feather it again, 2 pixels, and now let's inverse this selection. Again with the Burn tool, let's hide the edges, hold Option or Alt to get the Dodge tool temporarily, and just brighten up the back of that collar so that it looks like it's rolling over the back of that shirt. And deselect. Go to the background layer, we'll make a new patch layer, switch to the Clone tool, make sure it's set to sample current and below, and now we can sample an area from the background and paint that in on the layer behind our shirt to get rid of the head. We'll sample again, and now we can carry on painting out the rest of this head. Finally, because the shirt looks a bit too blue, select it, and we can use a simple adjustment such as colour balance just to take out some of that blue cast. And there we go.